Yeah. You say who that nation? Loud and proud and strong, but I rep the Falcons where I truly belong. You say our team is waking, sleeping through the fight, but we're gonna start flying, taking to the light. Oh, we say we won't be beat, no we won't keep falling. We wait, we'll rise from the Who Dat Nation shadow. Call it. You go running scared cause we go beast mode, yeah. Might call us ugly birds or whatever's in the air, but black and red is fading, that black and gold will do. We're killing it in the NFL, me and my crew. Oh, we say we won't be beat, no we won't keep falling. We wait, we'll rise from the Who Dat Nation shadow. Call it. From the dirt and the doubts, we're forging our own way. Every single Sunday, we're here to come and play. Against all odds, we're soaring, reaching for the sky. Watch us now, we're roaring as the old days pass us by. Oh, we say we won't be beat, no we won't keep falling. We will rise from the Who Dat Nation shadow. Call it. Yes, away. Yeah, that old gold fades away. Falcons rise, we're here to stay every single day. Black and red, forever strong, never gonna fall. We're the ATL standing tall, giving